YouTube Stable Volume Explained. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'm going to guide you through the steps on how you can figure out what the stable volume is and how you can get it. So first of all, make sure that your YouTube app is already updated to the latest version if you haven't done so, and then go ahead and then just open the YouTube app. Now over here it's quite simple. Now if I play a certain video over here, what happens is that after I go ahead and then skip the ad, so let this to load up first of all. And now after I skip these ads, what happens is that if I tap the gear icon from the top right hand side, here under additional settings from the bottom, if I just tap on additional settings, one of the options you'll find here is known as stable volume. So what is a stable volume all really about? Currently you can see if I tap it on, it's going to get turned off. If I tap it on, it's going to get turned back on again. Now what you can do with stable volume is sometimes what happens is that you might open up a certain video and the sound isn't really stable on that video. In the intro the sound is really loud and somewhere in between the sound becomes really low, which is why you have to press the volume buttons again and again. And now that YouTube has figured out the issue, they have come up with this feature called stable volume, which will allow you to equalize all of the volume on the YouTube application. Even if your phone doesn't support Dolby Atmos or something like that, because that's basically a feature on almost all phones these days, even if your phone doesn't support that, YouTube app now does support it automatically. So as long as the stable volume is on, you will not find yourself pressing the volume buttons on your phone over and over again to adjust the volume while watching content. This is what the stable volume is all about. Hope this video helped you. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching and see you soon in the next video.